I saw the light dance through the leaves, a quiet hymn. The earth it breathes, the air so soft. It kissed my skin.